Hello. Yesterday I had posted a picture of selfie with Venus, and even today I'm with Venus. You can see Venus right behind me, and many of my friends had asked me how did I know it was Venus and not something else. So I'm making this video to tell how I got to know that this is Venus itself and not any other star. Basically, we have learned in school geography that the basic difference between a star and a planet is that stars have their own shine. They are in fact suns who have their own shine, own brightness, and emit heat and light. Planets, on the other hand, do not have their own shine and just reflect the light emitted by the sun. So that is the basic difference we all have learned in school geography. So that's how that's the basic thing, how to recognize a star from a planet while you are gazing the sky. So as you can see, the star behind me, Venus, see, it is pretty much a star in the sky, but then you can see it's not twinkling. We know stars are supposed to twinkle. Even have a poem dedicated to it, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. But see the star behind me, it is not twinkling at all. It is very, very, very still, like a light bulb. Why? That's because it's not a star, it's a planet. So let me tell you this in detail so that you could understand it. So here I am in my window from my home, and you can see the star behind me again. This is Venus, as I'm calling it. So let us see how I found out that it's actually a planet and not a star. See, you can see it very clearly now. Look at it. It's a star in the sky, but it's not dimming or glowing or anything. Nothing is happening to it. It's just still and pretty and looking pretty much glowing, but not at all twinkling. And that's the important feature that we are seeing about this star right now. So let us see some other star to find out the difference. See this one. This is another star, and see see the difference between it. It's twinkling and shining, and its glow is getting small and shrinking and glowing. That's the difference between this one and the previous one. Let's see another star again, if you can see it. See this one right in front of my camera. It's a very dim star, but you can see it's twinkling a lot. Once again, getting back to our star again. See it. It's not twinkling. See this one. It's twinkling like anything. See this one. This too is twinkling. The reason behind the difference in this sort of feature in the stars is because they are totally different from each other. They are not the same. This one, as I've told you, is nothing but a planet. It's Venus. And this one is the brightest star in the sky, Sirius, or as they call it in Marathi, Vyad. Then this one is a part of Orion constellation. There is a whole constellation which I can see it from a naked eye, but can't see it, well, my phone can't see it, but there is a whole constellation of about 8 to 10 stars right in front of me. So this one is one of the stars from that constellation. So basically that's the most important feature which anyone can recognize by even the naked eye, even better than any phones. That how to recognize stars and planets. So simple thing, just look at the stars very closely. If you have from your terrace or from your window, and not necessarily, like many of my friends even ask me if this phenomenon exists, because nowadays we have lockdown and no pollution. I don't agree to it. I think stars can be seen even when there is no lockdown, and because I thought I was seeing Venus from a lot of time. So if you see the stars minutely or closely, you will find them that they actually exist every day and we just ignore them. But if you see them close, you will find the difference, the features, and right from this very naked eye observations, we have grown onto something very big. So but all of them have started with this first step of looking into the sky very nicely. So this was my attempt to try and tell you how to differentiate and how to find out whether a star you are seeing in the sky is a star or a planet. So here I am. Hope you liked the demonstration, and well, if you really liked it, do let me know what are your comments and what are your reactions, because this video is not something I've made for commercial purpose or something. I'm just a very novice sky gazer, if you see. But and I've made this video very for friends and my family circle as a hobby. So if you really liked it, or I have some suggestions, have some comments, do let me know. Please let me know, so that it will be a good appreciation. Okay, so thank you.